Hardware connection, serial port. Please follow these steps to install the gimbal camera correctly. The materials needed are a computer, a gimbal camera, a network cable, USB to TTL cable, UIRT cable, gimbal interface, a gimbal support, and a 4S to 6S battery or equivalent power supply. Install the gimbal camera by ensuring that the two white stripes are aligned with each other. If the stripes are not aligned, pinch the connector part and manually turn it to the left until they are aligned. Then, align the white dot on the gimbal with the red arrow on the interface. Rotate the gimbal until the red arrow and the red dot are aligned, and you hear a click sound. URT cable setup. Connect the USB to TTL cable to your computer. Power on the camera by connecting the power cable to the CON board. Firmware Upgrade. Open Viewlink and go to Connection, Serial Port, select your port and click Connect. On the upper menu, click Settings, Firmware Upgrade, and on the Upgrade File section, select the .bin format file. Click Start and wait for the process to finish. For the changes to take effect, please reboot the camera. Then, connect through the serial port and verify that the camera is working as expected. Ethernet connection for AI gimbal cameras. First, install the gimbal on the gimbal interface. Then, insert the 4-pin network cable into the CON board. And connect the Ethernet jack to your computer. Power the gimbal camera and wait until the self-test is complete. On your computer, open the Ethernet settings section, click Change Adapter Settings, and choose the corresponding network. Click TCP IPv4 to configure the port, and input the next values. IP address 192.168.2.119, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Click OK and save the changes. Open Viewlink. And input the next values. TCP remote IP 192.168.2.119, port 2000, click Connect. Then just wait till the gimbal control bar appears in the right side of the window. Firmware upgrade for AI gimbal cameras through network cable. Input netConfig.exe firmware upgrade tool. Input your gimbal camera IP, for example 192.168.2.119 default IP, and click Connect. You can verify the current firmware version by clicking Obtain version number on the right side of the window. Now, you can either select or drag the ZPK extension file. Then, click Firmware Download and wait for around half a minute. After you see the Update Successful notice, please proceed to restart the gimbal camera and verify the firmware installation. To do so, you can connect to New config via Ethernet. Click Obtain version number and compare the number with the ZPK extension file name. How to change the IP address on AI gimbal cameras. Open Viewlink. Then connect through TCP. The default TCP remote IP is 192.168.2.119, port 2000. Then click Settings, Camera Settings, and change the gimbal camera IP. For example, camera IP 192.168.144.119, remote IP 192.168.144.117, gateway 192.168.144.1. Click Submit, then click OK. Then click Reboot and OK to restart the video stream. Select the network corresponding to the gimbal camera and click TCP IPv4 to configure the port. Then click Advanced and click Add to input the new address value. IP address 192.168.144.117. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. After all that, please click Accept, go to Viewlink and modify the IP address in the connection section as displayed on the screen. Then click Connect. Restore gimbal camera ID. If you are unable to connect via TCP to your gimbal camera and you are not receiving any video stream, it might be due to a wrong IP address setup. If this is your situation, or if you forgot your camera's IP address, you can reset it. Please first insert the gimbal camera TF card into your PC. Then create a TXT file and name it IP_back. Then remove the TF card from your computer. Power off the gimbal camera. And insert the TF card into the gimbal camera TF card slot. Then power on the gimbal camera and wait for around 50 seconds. Then remove the TF card. To verify that the changes took effect, please insert the TF card back into your PC and check if the TXT file disappeared. If it did, then your gimbal camera IP address changed to the default 192.168.2.119. You can now open Viewlink and power on the gimbal camera. The video stream and TCP connection should work as normal now. Please remember to change the device configuration on your computer to match the new IP address. Check the How to change the IP address on AI Gimbal Cameras video for more information.